the whisk attachment on my Kenwood mixer has started to, the prongs have started to break off. I don't really want to buy a new one because it's they're kind of quite expensive. What I have got is I've got a older one from an older model, and what I've worked out is that the threads are exactly the same. So now you would think that therefore the threads are the same, so that one would fit in my new Kenwood mixer, but these are slightly different. So that's got a little bit of metal there, and they're just slightly different sizes. So although that fits in my new Kenwood, it doesn't snap into place. So what we do is we take that one from that whisk and we put that in there like that, and then we have a newer, better whisk attachment from an older machine. Just be careful when you take these apart that you don't unscrew that bit or that all the prongs want to fly out. But now I have got more use out of my Kenwood mixer. So I will add that my mixer is about 15 years old, so about 2010, something like that. This is a one from the 90s, so they kind of still kind of fit together. This whisk attachment, well, this beater attachment, is from the original Kenwood Major, which I believe 1960s, 1970s, and that's a much different thread. So different in sizes there, so that bit fits into there, and different thicknesses there. I think it's probably down to when we went from metric to whatever it was before, feet and inches and all that kind of stuff. Imperial, that's what it was. So there's probably differences. That is probably imperial, and this is calibrated to centimeters and millimeters. So, but anyway, there we go. It just goes to show that sometimes it's not actually worth throwing things away because they can be repurposed. Well, this one isn't that one can't be used in anything other than an original Kenwood Major, but these parts do change over.